Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to print WhatsApp messages. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So here is no option to directly print WhatsApp messages, so I can show you a way you can print your WhatsApp messages. So open the individual group or contact and click on this more icon and click on more, and you will need to export the chat. So click on export chat and select here Gmail and give here the recipient email address and send this email. And after that, open your Gmail app and open send box, and here we can see the WhatsApp chat file. You can view the file, or you can download the file by clicking on this download icon. And once you downloaded your file, you will be able to print your WhatsApp messages through this file. If you think to see more WhatsApp videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.